everyone, today I'm going to show you 3 different ways to make a no-slip hanger.
The first way to make a no-slip hanger is by using 2 rubber bands. Take 1 rubber band and wrap it twice around one end of the hanger and do the same with the other side. Another way to make a no-slip hanger is by using cure pipes. Take 2 cure pipes of your desired color and wrap them completely around each ends of the hanger. Lastly, with the hot glue gun, create a back and forth pattern on the top part of the ends of the hanger, starting about a few inches from the ends of each side of the hanger. Here are all 3 no-slip hanger hacks. Try them all or choose your favorite. Also, here are the examples of how this dress won't slip off any of these hanger hacks.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned next time for more how-to style.